Happy Saturday, guys. Time to look at some nail mail. I got an order in today from Sun and Moon Dips LLC, and I'm going to take a look at it with you now. I have Resilient Mama in a sample size. I have Electra in a sample size. I have Nova in the mini. And then I have Bloodlust in the mini. These came packaged incredibly well, bubble wrapped incredibly well. It came with a cute little note and it came in this gorgeous little bag. The shipping took about 7 days, so that's about typical from what I've seen from dip powder companies. I can't wait to put some looks together with these, and I'll show you that coming up. From left to right, this is Resilient Mama, Bloodlust, Nova, and Electra. Continuing on with nail mail, we have a package from NailsTruly. To say I'm excited about these decals from NailsTruly would be an understatement. I was a little nervous when I selected the random sheet, and boy did it pay off. I cannot recommend enough. Go check out that site. When I get some looks put together with these decals, I will absolutely show you. So the ones I chose are these pretty black moons. The ones that were random are all these gorgeous horror decals. I'm gonna, oh my God, are you?